Watch on to learn how to remove a table from a Word document. Delete an entire table. Click your cursor inside the table. When you click the table, a 4-directional arrow will appear at its top left corner. Click the 4-directional arrow. This selects the table. Press the Delete key on your keyboard. This removes the table and its contents from the document. Delete a table and keep the text. Click inside the table. Click the Table Layout tab. Click Convert to Text. Select an option and click OK. If you're dealing with plain text, select the Tabs option to replace the table borders with tabs, making your text easier to read. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.